Hey, Plant Pals, my kid gardener, and today's video is a blind seed haul from Menards. It's like the other big box store that you can go to. It's kind of local to the northeast area, so you might not have heard of it. But my wife stopped by there to get some sand because it's we had 42-degree uh, like Thursday, and then it dropped down and it was raining and it dropped down to 3 degrees. So of course everything froze over, and we want to make sure that people weren't injuring themselves on our sidewalks. So we had to put some sand and salt down. So we used the last of what we had. So she went back to the Menards in order to get some more sand and salt. So while she was there, she said she was shocked they didn't have any plant supplies yet. It's still like snow blowers and stuff out on the floor because we have another 3 months of winter time and snow. So but they did have their seeds. So she purchased seeds. She just handed me the bag, so I don't know what's in it. So I'm gonna go through it and see what seeds she got for us. In here, all right. Got a handful of seeds. Okay, so she got, and the prices, of course, it's like any of those boxes you see at the box store where they say like 249, but if you look at the chart, they're selling it for 149. Why? What? Just sell for 149? I don't. Maybe someone sees that and believes that it's a sale, and they're like, "Woohoo!" But it's always that way. So that was always weird to me. It's just a little side rant. I just never understood why they do that. Oh, it's we're selling these seeds for 249, but if you look at this chart, it's actually 149. It's like just sell it to me for 149, and let's not do that dance. But eh, that's me. You know, your mileage may vary. All right. Anyway, enough of that. Let me see the seed she bought. Okay, she bought a packet of squash called Table Queen. Never heard of that. That just looks like your standard acorny type squash to me. She got some burpee Best Boy tomatoes. I grew those last season rather. They're pretty cool. I liked them. What are those better? Well, I grew both Best Boy and Better Boys. Here's some spearmint. Oh, cool. Definitely growing these. She got some turnips. Matter of fact, I'm going to grow these inside, so even if I can't get the turnip to bulb, I'll have some greens, because I like turnip greens. She bought some American flag leek. Early prolific straight neck squash. Always use sage. Huh. Never heard of these. Black turtle garden beans. They look cool. Anybody ever grow those and know any information on those? Let me know in the comment section. So some of these are repeats. Oops, sorry. There's a zucchini black beauty. I love zucchini. Grew that last summer. I only got 4. Here's a repeat. There's the squash. And there's a repeat of the zucchini. I don't know why they call zucchini a squash. I don't know. Seems more like a cucumber to me, but I don't know. Here's something this is new to me. Never heard of it. It's an asparagus bean. Don't know if I can grow that. So I don't know if I can grow any of these. Some of these are like, I don't know if they'll grow good in my area or if I can grow them inside or outside or whatever, but that's the fun of it. We'll see. And I can always send them as gifts to people. There's another thing of sage. Where put the other sage? There. Some Roma tomatoes. I always love Romas. There's another of the leek. Here is a sandwich hybrid steak tomato. Now, I think the only problem with the hybrids is that you can't really save the seeds because you don't know what you'll get when you try to regrow them the next season. Correct me if I'm wrong, but still cool. Even if it's just one season of you know, good tomatoes would be fine. These are Romas, which I love. That's why heirloom seeds are kind of like the best because they'll always kind of be true to type when you grow them and save the seeds. This is a lacinato kale. Definitely love my kale. She got another leek. She got another turnip. Another squash. Here is a burpee super steak hybrid tomato. How cool. She got 2 lemon balm. Here are 2 slicer hybrids. Okay, now this is cool. This is a these are really pretty looking. I've seen people grow them on YouTube. They're really pretty. They're Mr. Stripey tomato. Really pretty tomato. So burpee super steak again. Here's an early jalapeno. I grew these in the garden last year. They were great. There's a super sauce hybrid tomato. Another early jalapeno. Super beefsteak, but this one's not a hybrid. This one, the other one, at least said hybrid. This one doesn't. Here is a Brandy Boy hybrid. Big Pink hybrid. I'll start putting these from the other side. I got the cord the way. I don't know why I'm doing it the way I was doing it. Here's a hot pepper habanero blend. Let's see what seeds do they claim that's in there. Just says start indoors, blah blah blah. That's it. Okay, doesn't really say. But I like habaneros. Another lacinato kale. A medium rare hybrid. Super beefsteak. San Manzano. Those are really good. I grew those. They were kind of small. I mean, I put them in a bad spot. They're kind of in amongst my hostas. And but at the end of the season, they started producing. So that was really cool. Here's a spearmint. In the last pack is a cloudy day hybrid. What that means, I don't know. All right, so that is a look at a blind look at the seeds that my wife brought home from the box store. Well, that's really awesome. All right, any comments, questions? Leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.